I'm Shiva Arora from Frontier Chrysler Sales.
And this is Jim Jabiri. We are here today doing the prize poll from the Houston trade show that happened on the 19th to 20th of April. So we're gonna have two winners today, and you can pick up your prize at any time you want. So let's see who is the first lucky one.
Uh-oh,
Oops.
that just came out. Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Let's see who the lucky winner is. The first lucky winner.
Okay. It's Jared Miller. Jared Miller. So Jared, we're gonna give you a call probably in a few minutes, and as I said, you can pick up your prize at any time.
Congratulations, Jared.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take the second winner. Now,
Somebody's
somebody's
trying to sneak out.
right. And the second winner. Little difficult. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, but then it's Zachary Zirfis.
It's Zachary. So Zachary, we're gonna give you a call.
Right. And Zachary, congratulations. We'll give you a call and you can come down to the dealership anytime after tomorrow to pick up your gift. We will also be having the trade show in Smithers on the 3rd and 4th of May, and we will have another prize draw there. Come meet us, the team of Frontier Chrysler, at the Smithers trade show.
Yes.